Hey, so this is LinkedIn Search People Agent. So if you're a sales professional or a demand generation specialist, or basically just someone in the sales and marketing industry, and you need to build your list of leads from LinkedIn, this agent could really come in handy for you. And what it does is, obviously, it searches LinkedIn for people based on their location, company size, the industry they belong to, and any specific keyword that you want to include, like, something that is found in their profile, you can add it there. So instead of using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which has a lot of requirements, you need to go through a required process by LinkedIn just to get access to their API endpoint. We're using a third-party API here from Rapid API. So this API is very accessible. You can try it. And then search for it and then try it. And then I have here a simple code component that I've coded to clean up the API. And then after cleaning it up, I'm splitting the data into 3, so you can see here. So for this API endpoint, it returns 25 items, so 25 people and their profiles, everything in it. And the thing with the integration I'm using, so by the way, I'm using Airtable here, which is really easy, super easy to integrate. We support, we already have Airtable in our integrations list here, so it's very easy to set up. You just need to add your personal API key from Airtable and then just add it here. So the thing with Airtable, the create records API endpoint, it only accepts 10 records at a time. So since the API endpoint returns a list of 25 people, I've split them into 3 groups. The first 2 groups contain 10 person each, and then the last one contains the last 5 in the record. Okay, so after uploading everything, this is what it's gonna look like. So as you can see, I have 25 people here. This is how I set up my Airtable. These are the things, these are the information that I only need. Everything else gets removed through my code component. All right, so I have your first name, last name, full name, region, everything, description, company name, title. For a quick demo, so this is for internal use. If you meant to share this with anyone, or if you meant to make changes to the payload here, request payload, you can add them in your API endpoint inputs here, so anyone can change it. But then again, if this is for internal use, you can just preset them like this, set them up like this, add a predefined company account, industry, geo region, or any other filter that you might want to add here. It's totally up to you. But for this one, I'm using this personally, so I'm just I just need the page number for this one. So the thing is, this API endpoints returns thousands. You might want to start with number 1, which I already did here. Now, if I'm gonna start again, oh no, I'm not gonna use, we can use form preview here. We can use a debug. I'm just gonna disable this, and then I'm gonna use form preview. I'm on page 2 already. So if you're doing this, you can automate this. You can ask it. There's so many ways that you can do this, but for this demo, I'm just doing this manually. All right. So I already have everything here. As you can see, these are the name of people. It's super fast. Now I'm gonna go to my list here. I'm gonna refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, I now have 50, 25 earlier, now I have 50. I have a list of people here. These are the QC, their titles, company name, geo region, where they are from. Okay, now I'm gonna do another one. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go back here. As you can see, now I have 75. So can you see how fast that is? In a minute, you have 25, less than a minute, that's 25. I'm gonna do for the 4th page. I'm just gonna wait here. All right, now I now have 100, and you can now enrich this information. And yeah, I hope this helps. This is super easy to make, and yeah, let us know if you want to have a copy of this agent template.